This is a 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include power-adjustable driver pedals, a power passenger seat, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a double wishbone independent front suspension, alloy wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a rear window defroster, and cruise control. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Planet Ford 59 is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 19000 Eastex Freeway in Humble.